talk about the Insta360-A. Or moreover, just wanted to talk about the new app. I was pleasantly surprised with the new app. The old app was, well, certainly for Android, the old app was pants, really. You know, and not as pants as the desktop app, like, it has to be said. Yeah, that Insta360 Studio, is it? Something like that. Anyway. But yeah, there's so much more that you can do in the app now. It's not the Insta360-A app. It's, well, it's just called Insta360, I think. But it's, it obviously does for the Insta360-A and what have you. I assume it does for the 1X2 as well. Though I don't know that for certain. I was so surprised about all the things that you can do with it now. You know, you can do that tracking a lot better. You know, that tracking people or tracking vehicles, whatever. You can do that much better. You can do the split screen thing, which you could never do on the old Android app. You know, where you've got one screen inside a dozen or two, or the screen split in half, whichever, and you're showing two different things at the same time. Which is probably what I'm doing now, actually. You know, obviously I've got to edit it first, like. And yeah, just you know, it just seems a much. You can also do different clips as well. You know, multiple clips, which is brilliant as well. You know, so I can cut things out. You know, long pauses and that sort of thing. But yeah, it's brilliant. It's a much better app than it used to be. It's a little bit glitchy here and there, but it's, you know, it's pretty good. Workflow wise, it does add that extra step in your workflow, because obviously I like to put you know, a beginning and an end, or you know, titles and all that sort of carry on particularly on the YouTube videos. So, you know, it means an extra step actually creating the video, reframing it and all that sort of carry on. But apart from that, I'm pleasantly surprised, and I'm obviously going to start using the Insta360 a bit more. Like, one of the reasons why I bought the Insta360 in the first place was to get that split picture there, you know, where you could have a frame inside a frame. Is it split frame? Can't remember what it's called. Anyway. And that's one of the reasons why I bought it, and I was quite depressed when I couldn't use it. You know, like on the bike, I used to have the Insta360 on the handlebars, and I used to do the audio through my Senna to my phone, which was, again, another bit of a pain in the arse from a point of view of editing, you know, syncing them up and all that sort of carry on. Having said that, I see that's another feature that you can now use a bit more of in the app, where if you wanted to put a soundtrack in, like speaking, voice, that sort of thing, you can now do that. You can now go to stuff on your phone or whatever, and as I would normally record my voice on the phone, it means I can just go straight into that and, you know, bring it into the Insta360 app, and yeah, this seems like a much better app. So I don't know if I'll start using it on the motorcycle, but it is a possibility. Because I do like the Insta360, but it was its limitations that I didn't like, and the fact that it isn't a very rugged camera, has to be said. Maybe in the future I'll get the Insta360 too, but it's so expensive, these cameras. I just, you know what I mean, I don't want to go mad with these things, like. We'll see how we go with this one, as it is. dull, as you can see. The last video I did, I used the manual mode, did it in 5.7k, 30 frames a second, the shutter speed of 1/60. I don't think that would work in bright light, like, you know, doing that 180 rule, not without filters anyway. But it seemed to be okay. I'll find out when I get home, I suppose. But this one I'm just doing it auto, everything's automatic. The ISO on the last one was 100, and I set the colour balance to 5000 Kelvin. Yeah, so all those features that you can do, you know, through the app, like, you know, like setting up the camera in manual mode and stuff. It's a different camera. Although it isn't a different camera, it's a different app. You know, it's made the camera a different camera, in my opinion. Yeah, anyway, so that's it for that one, I think. So not much of a rant really. Just a bit of a talk about the Insta360. So if you've been watching on YouTube, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, all those things, blah de blah de blah, and we'll see you again soon. So peace.